Holden, you ready for dinner? Yes, my love? Okay, so dinner is still mixed vegetables. Then we have vegetables in here, meat, ground beef, pumpkin. This is steamed cabbage. Okay, so there is the finished product. Holden does get a little bit more of the pumpkin because Tulli's allergic. I did a little sprinkle of beeswax and then chia seeds. Yeah, you like that, Mama? Yes, I would obey you. I help you. Holden always finishes his dinner, well, whatever meal, prior to Tulli. Sweet Tulli is a lady, so she takes a little longer. I rotate the bowl so that she knows what's in it. Yeah. Yes, I would obey you. So whenever Holden finishes his meal, he has to control himself. So he looks the other way, even though he wants to eat what Tulli has. He controls himself, and so he turns his head so that he knows that he can't jump on Tulli's meal until she's done, which he's been trained to do, to look the other way. So he does. Holden, wait.